Sige. Guys, magbubukas ang aking anak guys, si Jonel Montemero ng parcel galing sa Shopee. Ayan na guys, binuksan niya guys. Gwapo yan siya guys. Guys, bumili ako ng solar lights. Ang sabi dito, buy one take one. Tingnan natin kung totoo bang buy one take one. Oo nga guys, buy one take one nga. Tama, may pakapin pa guys, oh. USB light guys, oh. Pakapin. Tingnan natin guys kung magtagal ba to guys. Halagang 600 lang to guys. Yung nagbukas guys, gwapo yan guys. Hindi ko lang pakita guys. Uy, malaki daw ang panel guys, pero parang palad lang. Palad lang ba ng isang trangka lang? Pambira itong advertisement. Ayan guys. Yung isa guys, tingnan natin. Uy, wala, basag. Naku po, basag. Anong nangyari? Ba't basag? Uy, basag na isa guys. Isa uli natin to guys kasi basag, oh. Basag. Basag guys. Subukan lang natin guys, baka maayos pa. Kung hindi maayos guys, sa ulit to guys. Sayang. Kung isa okay naman, kung isa